Hi there! In this video, we'll explore custom metrics in Birch, what they are, how to create them, and why they are such a handy feature for your automations. Meta Ads gives you access to hundreds of metrics, but sometimes the one you really need just isn't there. That's where Birch custom metrics come in. They let you build your own formulas and use them in automated rules and reports, and use your custom CRM or tracking data to trigger automations. For example, you can create a custom metric to check your unique conversion rate, calculate an efficiency ratio, or even build a moving ROAS or CPA target. In this video, I'll take you through how to create a custom metric step by step, and then share a few ideas for how to put them to work in your automation. Let's get started. Creating a custom metric. You will find the Custom Metrics Builder in the Automate section. It's a separate tab right at the top. Custom metrics work across all the ad platforms Birch supports: Meta Ads, Google, Snapchat, and TikTok. But for this example, we'll focus on Meta Ads. Click New Custom Metric. Here's where you can write a formula to define your own metric. It works by combining default ad metrics with your own numbers and mathematical operators. For example, I'll create a conversion rate metric using this formula: website purchases divided by unique link clicks multiplied by 100%. You can pull in metrics from attribution platforms like AppsFlyer, Wicked Reports, or Hyros, and also use your custom conversions and custom events. But for now, let's stick with conversion rate. Next, let's name it conversion rate. Set the format to percentage and add a short description, something like website purchase conversion rate from link clicks. The formatting only affects how your numbers are displayed, so if you choose percentage, it will simply add this symbol. That's it. Once you're done, click Create Metric, and it will be saved in your custom metrics library using Google Sheets data. You can also create custom metrics based on Google Sheets. For instance, if your team tracks conversions data, subscription renewals, or customer lifetime value in spreadsheets. By syncing that data with your ad performance in Birch, you can build metrics like true ROI or revenue per lead to go beyond platform-reported results and understand how your campaigns actually impact your bottom line. It's a really flexible option if you use third-party, your own custom tracking solutions, or CRMs. And if you want to learn more on how to implement it in Birch, we've got a separate video that covers the setup process step by step. Creating a fixed target metric. Let's look at another example. This time, creating a single number as a custom metric. Say your client or manager sets a ROAS target every month. Instead of updating every row manually, you can turn that target into a custom metric. For example, if this month's ROAS target is 2.5, choose number instead of metric. Enter 2.5, then give it a name like ROAS target, set the format to numeric, add a short description, and click Create Metric. Now, whenever the target changes, you will only need to update the custom metric, and your rules will adjust automatically. Now let's see how to use our new ROAS target in an automated rule. In our budget increase rule, instead of saying website purchase ROAS is greater than or equal to 3, we'll compare ROAS against the ROAS target custom metric. To do that, use the metric comparison feature. Click the gear icon, select metric, and then choose your new ROAS target as the second metric. Now the condition reads: if website purchase ROAS is greater than or equal to ROAS target, then increase budget. The best part is, if the ROAS target changes later, the rule will update automatically. By the way, you can even create custom metrics right inside the rule builder. Pretty convenient. That's it. Custom metrics, especially when paired with metric comparison, are one of the biggest advantages of using Birch over Meta's native automated tools. Try it out to make your automations even more powerful.